Hey, if you're an investor, make sure you watch the rest of this movie, or you want to invest in your future. Regardless, keep on watching the rest of this because you've got a huge opportunity, and you only have till November 13th to bid on this 3,046 square foot property. Either you'll want to buy it and flip it, make yourself over $100,000 fast, or you'll want to rent this out and you want to finish out the basement and give yourself an extra 1,700 square feet down there where you could also build an amazing suite as well. This is done in the name of luxury. In this 3,046 square feet, there's also in-floor heating and a number of upgrades that you'll absolutely adore. This is a great investment for anyone that knows anything about the Camrose area or is just looking for a getaway retreat. Now, the cool thing about this property is the neighborhood that it's in. Most houses, or some of the houses, are priced at up to $800,000 or $850,000. Get a load of that. Get a load of this investment opportunity. If you want to learn more, click the link or get ready to bid at caster.auction/Camrose.